Introducing the Nexgrill 4-burner gas grill. With a reliable battery-powered electronic ignition, you just turn on the gas, turn the knobs, press the button, and let the grilling begin. 4 independently controlled stainless steel burners each offer 10,000 BTUs of flame roasting energy for quick, convenient, controlled heat. While angled flame tamers deflect heat, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor infusions. The main grill deck is equipped with long-lasting matte-finish porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates, built to retain heat exceptionally well and allow for easy cleaning. 562 square inches of main cooking space provides plenty of space for anything you want to cook. The easy-to-read built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. On the other side of the cooking grid, stationary shelves offer plenty of space for food prep and serving. And when it's time to clean up, a convenient rear pull-out grease tray keeps things simple. Finally, 2 large wheels make freeing up patio space a breeze. We got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill stainless steel 4-burner gas grill.